Hi students, I am Bandare Shubhangi Sudhakar. I would like to discuss about the structure of DNA. The learning outcomes of the today's points are: students are able to label the diagram. Students are able to know the composition of DNA. Students are able to know the different characteristics and the dimensions of DNA, as well as students are able to differentiate purines and pyrimidines. Friedrich Mischer in 1869 isolated and discovered the nucleic acid from bus cells. There are two types of the nucleic acids, DNA and RNA, deoxyribonucleic acid and ribonucleic acids. The Fulgin in 1924, he said that the DNAs are present in the chromosomes. DNA strand is composed of pentose sugar, deoxyribose sugar, C5H10O4. Another component is the nitrogen base. There are the purines and pyrimidines. Purines are adenine and guanine, and pyrimidines are cytosine and thiamine. Pyrimidines are single ring compound and purines are double ring compound. Third component is the phosphate group. Chemically it is a phosphoric. Nitrogen base is attached to the first carbon atom by glycosidic bond, and phosphate group is attached to the fifth carbon atom of pentose sugar by sugar phosphate bond. The one nucleotide is attached to the another nucleotide by phosphodiester bonds. So the ladders are produced, two ladders are produced with the help of phosphodiester bond as like this. And the strands are produced. According to the Watson and Crick model, the DNA strands are double helix, that is two strands coils to each other. Another characteristic is these two strands are anti-parallel to each other, and the orientation is 3' to 5'. 3' means the OH group of the pentose sugar is the free and phosphate group of pentose sugar is a free. Then it is 5' orientation. One strand is ascending and another strand is descending, and that's why it is called as anti-parallel strands. The strands are complementary to each other, that is nitrogen bases are complementary to each other. A is complementary to T and G is complementary to C. G pairs with C with 3 weak hydrogen bonds and A pairs with T with 2 weak hydrogen bonds. So the purines, it obey the Chargaff's rule, that is purine pyrimidine ratio is always equal to 1, that is A plus G is equal to T plus C. So the number of purines and number of pyrimidines are equal to each other because they are complementary to each other. The dimensions are: the diameter of the DNA is 20 angstrom and one spiral contains two successive minor groove or the two successive major grooves. One spiral contains 10 base pairs and the distance between two base pair is 3.4 angstrom. The function of DNA is it stores genetic information as well as it plays important role in the heredity. Students, I will send you a link. You have to click it and then you can solve the MCQs as like this. You can label the diagram also. So this is all about structure of DNA. Thank you.